Good morning, children. So, morning we have finished about the tangrams, and after that we have seen about the tessellation. What do you mean by tessellation? Means when you repeat the patterns or the designs, repeating again and again together with no gaps or overlaps. எந்த வித கேப்பும் இல்லாமல் ஓவர்லாப்ஸும் இல்லாமல் இருக்கிறது தான் tessellation. That is wall tiles, kitchen tiles, floor tiles பார்த்தீங்கன்னா எல்லாம் பக்கத்தில் சிமிலராக அப்படியே அடிக்கடிக்கு. Even நம்ம classroom in our school, our classroomல பார்த்தீங்கன்னா floors and all will be the tiles ஷேப்பில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஸ்கொயர் ஷேப்பில் இருக்கும். எல்லாம் பக்கத்தில் ஒன்றோட ஒன்று கேப் இல்லாமல் without any gaps it will be like this only. So this tessellation means when we repeat the individual tiles or any patterns இல்லைன்னா tiles together எல்லாம் ஒன்றாக சேர்ந்து with no gaps or overlaps, ஒரு கேப்பும் இல்லாமல் இல்லை ஒன்று மேலே ஒன்றும் இல்லாமல் இருக்கிறது, fill a flat surface அப்படியே தரையில் ஈவனாக இது பண்ணி இருக்கிறது கால் tessellation or tiling. அதே மாதிரி வீட்டில் என்ன சொல்லுவாங்கன்னா டைல்ஸ் ஒட்டணும், கிச்சனுக்கு டைல்ஸ் ஒட்டணும், பாத்ரூம்க்கு டைல்ஸ் ஒட்டணும், ஃப்ளோரிங்க்கு டைல்ஸ். ஸோ டைல்ஸ் மீன்ஸ் எனி பேட்டர்ன் வித் நோ கேப்ஸ் ஆர் த எனி ஓவர்லாப்ஸ் இல்லாமல் இருக்கிறது தான் tessellation. So in the tessellation, we have seen the so many shapes, but in tessellation, triangle, square, hexagons and regular polygons, they tessellate in the plane. So the triangle, square and hexagon, இது எல்லாமே regular polygons. These are known as or regular polygons. So tessellate in a plane. So triangle nu pathina it will be like this, square it will be like this, hexagon is 6 sides I said. So they tessellate in the same plane. So regular polygons. A triangle, tessellation of a square will be like this. Tessellation of a square is like this. This is the tessellation of the square. Na ellame square ah da irukum. And then tessellation of this is the square and hexagon. Hexagon will be like this. So the honeycomb, நீங்க honeycomb na இந்த தேன் கூடு பார்த்திருந்தீங்கன்னா இது இந்த மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும். So and just draw simply. You just say this. Then again like this. Then one line. So this hexagon, this is the tessellation of a hexagon. So அதே மாதிரி திருப்பி இங்கே ஒரு லைன்ஸ் எப்படி வந்துச்சுன்னா then you can put, you can draw at home and see also. வீட்டில் போட்டு பாருங்களேன், அழகாக ஸ்லோவாக போட்டிங்கன்னா it looks nicely. ஒரு லைன் போட்டுட்டு கீழே ஒரு WW. So this is called the tessellation of hexagon. So this is the hexagon shape. Tessellation of hexagons. And the next one is tessellation of the triangles. So you can see the triangles. In the triangles so we can put it like this. Triangles. So many triangles. And again downwards போடுங்க. Again இப்படி போடுங்க. So there will be no gaps. So it will come one shape like this. So this is called tessellation of a triangle. So this triangle, square, hexagon or regular polygons. So they tessellate in a plane. So ஒரு picturesல without any gaps or filling பண்ணுறது தான் tessellation. But pentagons and heptagons are also regular planes, but they do not tessellate. That is pentagon and heptagons. Pentagon and heptagon, they do not tessellate. இந்த மாதிரி ஷேப் வந்து இது ஒன்னோட ஒன்று சேராது. ஏன்னா அதோட டிசைன்ஸ் பென்டகன் ஹெப்டகன் அண்ட் பென்டகன் வந்து அந்த ஷேப் ஆஃப் த டைல்ஸ் வந்து தே டூ நாட் டெஸ்லேட். பிகாஸ் அதுக்கு இது வந்து கேப்ஸ் வரும், டிசைன்ஸ் வந்து மாறி மாறி இருக்கும். இந்த ஸ்கொயர் மாதிரியோ இல்லை இந்த ட்ரையாங்கிள் மாதிரியோ ஹெக்ஸகன் மாதிரியோ அது ஒன்றோட ஒன்று கேப் இல்லாமல் வராது, கேப்போட தான் அது வரும். ஸோ heptagon and pentagon or the regular polygons, they are also the regular polygons, but they do not tessellate. So this is the first chapter for you. and any tiles pattern you can see at home. No, you can draw and see. உங்கள் வீட்டிலே போய் செக் பண்ணி பாருங்கள். And the tiles pattern and all will be the same only. Okay children? Okay, now the first chapter is over. Now we will move on to the next exercise, that is numbers. You know the numbers easily. You know very well numbers. What do you mean by the numbers? That is the numbers 1 to 100, more than that. So on the numbers you know that we have already seen the numbers in the previous classes. You have seen the number names, numerals, everything. Okay, now you know the number and the number names. ONE1, TWO2, you know that number names, everything already we have learned this number names and all, addition, subtractions, everything we have learned in this numbers. But here in this, you have learned previously 1 to 100. You know that after that 101 to 200, then 200 to 300, you know the numbers and the number names. No, then what's the spelling for 20? TWENTY, 20. Like that, 100, HUNDRED, 100, that's a number name. And 200, 300, 400, 500, like this. So now the number names you have got in this 3-digit numbers. So in this 3-digit numbers, first you write the number names. So previously what you have learned, number names only we have learned. So you know that number names. So chapter 2, numbers. So without numbers, we can't do anything. We can't. 20. What is the number name? How to write for 20? TWENTY, 20. Suppose 45, 40, FORTY, 40. You should not say 40. FOUR means FOUR 4. But while you are pronouncing this 40, FORTY, 40, FIVE 5, 45. And then 90. 90 also, NINETY, 90. 100, what's the spelling? HUNDRED. So 100. 200 means TWO2 and HUNDRED is 100. 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, then 1000. So 1000, how will you write? What's the number for 1000? 1000. This is, we can say 1000 or 1000. So write this the number names. You can learn at home and you can practice 101 to 200, 501 to 800. Shall I give the homework? Will you write 501, 502, 508? Just like a game you can write and see at home. So that you can write 504 like this. Till will you write that 1000, because now we have been simply at home only. So you can practice this 501, 502, any number you can ask your brothers, or you ask your brothers to write, or you can write that, see the test also. So that will be easy and fun for you. Okay children, now you have seen the numbers in this, number names. Now fill in the blanks with the missing numbers. What do you mean by the missing numbers? Missing numbers means you have to fill up which number I have left it over, which number I have not written, which number I didn't write in the blank, you have to write. Suppose I have written 74 dash 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 dash. So you have to write 75, 76, 77, 78 like this. Okay, then 41, 43, 45, 46, 47. So in this blank, how to write 41 after 42, 43 after 44, 45 after 46, 46 after 47, 47 after 48. So this is the missing number you can write. So this all you have seen. Now the number sequence up to 1000. Number sequence up to 1000. Number sequence up to 1000. Okay, so number sequence is numbers is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 on one digit numbers. So 0 to 9 is the one digit number. One digit number. 0 to 9 is the one digit number. And then 10 to 99, that is the two digit numbers. And okay, so 10 to 99 is the two digit number. So which is the biggest number in two digit number is 99 is the biggest two digit number. Biggest 99 is the biggest two digit numbers. Can you understand, children? After this 99 kapram 100 vandrum, that is the 100 is the three digit numbers. 100 to 999 is the three digit numbers. Three digit. Okay. So 0 to 9 is the one digit number. So which is the biggest number here? 9 is the biggest number. And 10 to 99. 10 to 99 is the two digit numbers. So here in this biggest number is 99. And 99 is the biggest two digit numbers. Okay, listen carefully. And 100 to 999 is the three digit numbers. This three digit number, biggest three digit number is 999. And the smallest three digit number is 100. So like this in each and everything, biggest, smallest and the biggest, smallest and the biggest. Okay, one digit number, two digit numbers and three digit number. Now formation of the numbers. How to form the numbers? Okay. Formation of numbers for 10, hundreds, 1000. So how to add 10, 100 and 1000 by adding the numbers. So 1 plus 9 is 10. Like that. 1 plus 99 is 100. So 1 plus 999 is 1000. So this when we add 1 with 99 we get 100. So 100 is the smallest three digit number. Can you understand this? Now listen. So here 9 plus 1 is 10. Okay. 99 plus 1 is 100. 999 plus 1, 1000. Okay children, listen carefully. So when we add with 9 plus 1 we get 10. When we add with 1 plus 99 plus 1 we get 100. So 100 is the smallest three digit number. This is the two digit number and this is the three digit number. And this 100 has how many tens? 100 has smallest three digit number. Smallest three digit. So 100 is the smallest three digit number. And 100, how many tens you know? In the hundreds, how many tens? So, என்ன பண்ணுங்க 100 by 10. So, 100ல எத்தனை tens இருக்கு கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னா what you have to do 100 by 10 பண்ணுங்க. போட்டுட்டு 10 மேலே ஒரு 0 கீழே ஒரு 0 ஸ்ட்ரைக் ஆஃப் பண்ணிடுங்க. இப்போ ரிமைனிங் என்ன இருக்குது 10. So 10 tens are 100. So 100 how many tens கேட்டா 10 tens இருக்குது. Can you understand? அதே மாதிரி 100ல எத்தனை ones இருக்கு? 100 la how many ones? How many ones? That is 1 ones. 100 ones are 100. So how many ones? 1 ones irukku. Sorry, 1 ones. புரியுதா? 100ல how many tens ன்னு கேட்டா 10 tens are 100. 100sல how many ones? 100 ஒன்று தான் இருக்குது. 100ல ஒரே ஒரு 1 தான் இருக்குது. 100 ones are 100. அதே மாதிரி then the 1000, the numeral represents 1000 இருக்கு இல்லையா? 999 plus 1 is 1000. So 1000 represents a number as, this is known as the 1000. Okay, 1 put 3 zeros is 1000. So the smallest 4-digit number this is. This is not 3-digit number, 4-digit numbers. Okay, so the smallest 4-digit number is 1000. So 1000. Shall we rub this one? Now we will take as a 1000. So 1000. So this is 1000. We can say as a 1000. So this is the smallest 4-digit number. Smallest 4-digit number. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the smallest 4-digit number, 1000. 1000 is how many hundreds? In the 1000 la how many hundreds? அதே மாதிரி தான் நான் சொன்னேன் இல்லையா? 1000, how many hundreds are there? So you can write 1000 by 100. 10 को 10 strike off, 20 को 20 strike off. How many hundreds are there? 10 hundreds in 1000. Okay, 10 hundreds in 1000. And that's how many tens here? How many tens in 1000? How many tens na என்ன பண்ணுங்க? அதே 1000ல by 10 போடுங்க. போட்டிங்கன்னா 10 க்கு 10 strike off பண்ணா remaining 100 is there. So you have to write 100 tens. Can you understand, children? Okay, so 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can say that's the smallest 4-digit number. And how many hundreds in 1000? அப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னா 1000 100ல டிவைட் பண்ணுங்க. பை போட்டு 10 2 zeros கீழே இருந்தால் மேலே 2 zeros ஸ்ட்ரைக் ஆஃப் பண்ணால் ரிமைனிங் ஈக்குவல் டு 10 hundreds. Like that, how many tens in 1000? 10,000 divided by 10. So 1000 by 10. Now 10 க்கு 10 strike off பண்ண you will get the 100 tens. Can you understand, children? So learn this. Smallest 4-digit number is 1000. How many hundreds in 1000? 10 hundreds in 1000. How many tens in 1000? 100 tens in 1000. So we have seen this today about hundreds and thousands. So 99 is the biggest 2-digit number, 10 is the smallest 2-digit number, and the 4-digit number is 1000. So like this 1-digit number, 2-digit number, 3-digit, like that you can say this. And your homework is also, you can write, homework is write 501 to 1000 one time. So this is the homework for you, children. So you can write 501, 502, 503, like this you can write 504. In numbers you can write. Don't write in words, you can write in numbers. So homework is 501 to 1000. Okay, thank you, children. We'll meet in the next class.